Yala Swamp is located on the northern shore of Lake Victoria. It cuts across Siaya and Busia counties. It is recognized as both as an important bird area and as a key biodiversity area. Locally, it's an important wetland because it's rich in biodiversity. It harbors endemic species like the papyrus birds that depend on the papyrus habitat. It's a key site for the nationally endangered Sitatunga antelope and fish that are extinct within Lake Victoria. For the local communities, it is an important source of food, fish, water, construction material, fuel wood, and it is also important in filtering pollutants from water before the river drains into Lake Victoria. The largely predominant papyrus wetland plays a role in sequestering carbon, so it's an important carbon sink and also control floods. Yala Swamp is threatened by a number of factors, including exploitation of resources because of the rapidly increasing human population. There are threats from encroachment of riparian areas. There is also a threat from conversion of the wetland into commercial land for production of sugarcane, and also by the local communities who depend largely on it for production of food to sustain their livelihoods.
Mito vile inapita, mito na imesema hii ni nini riparian land. Kama ni kutumiwa, matumizi ikuwe compatible.
Nature Kenya has been working in Yala Swamp since 2014, and some of the interventions have been aimed at reducing the threats and also providing alternative livelihood sources for communities that depend on the swamp to reduce the pressure.
Nature Kenya is supporting a lot of farmers across a number of livelihoods, just to help them be resilient to the negative impacts of climate change. The livelihoods here include, we have fish farming, we have beekeeping, we have poultry, and then of course we have climate smart agriculture. In fish farming, we have supported around 100 fish farmers, giving them training on fish pond management, so they are able to manage their ponds even to enhance production. Apart from training, we have given them support with their fingerlings, so that they are able to stock their ponds.
Mimi ni mtu ya kwanza kutembea na Nature Kenya wakiingia Bondo sub county. Tukafunzwa kama kikundi, walialika watu wengi, group mbalimbali. Tukafundishwa, tukawa na knowledge zaidi ya kufuga samaki. Tukaendelea, tukapewa chakula, tukalea nayo samaki ikakua, watu wakafurahia. Hapo ndio watu waliona kumbe samaki ni kilimo mzuri. Nature Kenya imetusaidia, imetupatia machine, imetupatia fingerling, imetufanyia training, imetusaidia kwa mambo mengi kwa fish farming.
We have supported around 100 poultry farmers also in the line of with the poultry, the hybrid poultry, that is the kienyeji. We have done 2 poultry units. One is located in Yala, another one is located in Bonyala. So with the poultry project, we have done training for farmers on poultry management, and then we have also supported them with the chicks, technical support in liaison with the county officers on chick management. Now they can manage the chick. We have provided them with feeds, vaccines, just to help them to raise their income, in turn improve resilience to the negative impacts of climate change.
Nimeona hii project itatusaidia sana. According to the vile nimeona tu ikiendelea tu hivyo itatusaidia, kwa sababu njogoo wale ambao ni wakubwa ndio tutawauza, then from there we are going to restock hiyo nini hii project out of the money, pesa zenye tutapata hapo. Na najua wale layers ambao wako hapa tutawatengenezea pia hizo nyumba za kutagia, then from there wakianza kutaga, I know tuta benefit from that. Through Moses, for the time being, tumekuwa sana in touch na officers wa agriculture. Kuna wale ambao climatic change pia tumekuwa karibu na wao, wametufunza vile tunaweza sisi wenyewe tunaweza kuwa na gardens, kitchen gardens kwa maboma, at least inaweza kusaidia na kuadapt climatic change, na vile sisi wenyewe tunaweza kuinvolve in agriculture activities ili tujisupport sisi wenyewe. Ni kwa sababu ya agricultural climatic smart vile tumefunzwa, hiyo ndio imetufanya at least tumeenda that far. Na ninajua in connection na huu mradi wetu balance diet tutakuwa tumepata, kwa sababu tuko na mboga, wametupatia mbegu tunapanda mboga, tuko na mayai hapa, balance diet tutakuwa tumepata already. That is na Kenya imetusaidia sana.
We have also supported beekeepers, 100 beekeepers with hives across. We have distributed across over 216 hives to beekeepers across the four regions within Yala Swamp. Apart from the hives, we have supported them with the bee harvesting gear, that is the bee suits. Then we have also supported them with the centrifuges, the machine that is used in processing honey. And then we have also even supported them with the packaging, the packaging material, so that they are able to properly package the honey and then even brand. That is 100 farmers on beekeeping.
Kutokana na mafunzo yenye tumepata kutoka kwa miradi zingine kama Nature Kenya, KSAP, sasa tuko na tumejua vile tunaweza deal na weather, hata ikuwe dry ama ndio inafanya tunapata mavuno. Na kitambo tulikuwa tunaweka tukujua tufanye nini ndio hii kitu ikuwe vizuri, ndio tupate kitu kwa itoe itoe kitu yenye tunaweza kama income nzuri. Na baada ya kupata mafunzo kwa KSAP na Nature Kenya, saizi tunaweza vuna vizuri. Mavuno ya chakula kitambo ilikuwa kidogo, lakini saizi tumejua tukiweka nyuki inafanya pollination na tunavuna vizuri. Hata wakati tumepanda mahindi, kama sisi tunalima mahindi kwa group, tukipanda tunapandanga karibu na mahali tumeweka hives yetu via pollination na vitu zingine. Sasa hivyo ndio nyuki inatusaidia kwa nature.
Now when it comes to mulching, Ebu, just put, we see how you are going to mulch. Yeah, during mulching, be very conscious. The mulch material should not touch the stalk of the plant, because if it has space, it's really going to attack it very fast. So it should not touch the stalk.
In the area of climate smart agriculture, Nature Kenya has supported around 250 farmers across the four regions within Yala, the four sub-counties, so the four regions within Yala wetland. These farmers have been given intensive on-site training on how to do climate smart practices. We have areas to do with mulching, preparing compost manure. You see, areas under doing drip irrigation and even generally irrigation. So those are some of the technical areas through which we have taken our farmers across. the training we do in Liaison with the county extension officers. So this is an area where we really partner a lot, even with the county, both the county governments of Siaya and Busia, in training farmers and capacity building, on-site training and capacity building to these farmers.
Mostly we partner with Nature Kenya in training of these youths in matters pertaining to climate smart agriculture. We involve them mostly in growing of adaptable crops which can sustain, which are adaptable to this area. And we also help them to appreciate the technologies which are used for soil fertility improvement and water management. You know, this area is dry, so they really have to know the technologies which they can use to sustain the available water source, which is normally very, very low. We have farmers who have adapted climate smart agriculture. So sometimes we encourage farm visits. They visit their own other farmers who have successfully adapted and acquired these technologies, and they see for themselves and cascade it down to their own farms.
Kitambo tulikuwa tunasumbukana kwa sababu ya planting. Tulikuwa tunapanda na vitu zetu tulikuwa tunakauka. Sasa hii farming inatupatia job sasa. Tangu tupatikane na Nature Kenya ndio walitupeleka training, ndio tukajua farming ni mzuri, ni kitu mzuri. Hii climate agriculture farming umetusaidia sana kupata chakula nyingi. Hata kama umelima kwandi kidogo unapata chakula nyingi. Kwa mulching, kama tumemulch na retain water, sasa tumwagi maji kwa crop kila siku. Sasa kumulch hiyo tunasaidia sana. Tunakaa hata wiki moja kama hatujamwaga maji. Hiyo mulching inatusaidia hivi.
The number is around 250 farmers that we have supported along this line in the area of training. Apart from training these farmers, we have also been able to support them even with seeds. The indigenous vegetables, high quality seeds that has been able to even enhance production, because these are hybrid seeds and are very resilient to climate. Some of them are even fast maturing. We have fast maturing among them. We have those that are highly resistant even to drought, that they require even little water. So we have supported them with seeds, basically seeds. Then we have the area of the technical support aspect for the farmers, for the climate smart farmers. So basically for the under climate smart, we have done that intensive training. We have done the support in terms of the seeds. For the training, I've talked about covering areas to do with mulching, soil conservation, water harvesting, irrigation, those areas, that are able to help farmers to know how to manage water. Because climate smart agriculture is also about managing the scarce water and the little water that is available, making use of it maximally to enhance production. So that is under climate smart agriculture.
AfriEvolve Project is contributing to conservation of Yala Swamp in many ways. When farmers have an alternative source of income, it means reduced pressure on the natural resources, so we are able to conserve more through practicing climate smart technologies like agroforestry. They are able to increase woodlots that will eventually contribute to carbon sequestration. By doing awareness creation, they are able to sensitize more members of the communities on the impacts of climate change and the importance of adapting climate resilient livelihoods. Communities are able to take part in restoration by direct planting of trees and also designating areas for natural restoration, thereby contributing to conservation.
It is also important for us as partners to put more effort in terms of capacity building, capacity enhancement, capacity building, and awareness creation for the local communities. Investing more on water management, because climate smart agriculture is also about water scarcity. To be able to help farmers enhancing their production, marketing, value addition, and bulking, so that much pressure on Yala wetland is reduced. In that case, Yala wetland will thrive.